What's going on, guys? It's William here, and back this is my first of something. It's sort of so. I got some bad news and some good news. So the bad news is I just got stuck in a cloudburst and a hail storm, and I'm fine. So I'm really fine. So it's really hard to tell, but I don't have enough time because my phone is about to die and I needed to charge it really fast. So I really have to charge it. I only have 6% left. So I'll end it at when my battery gets to 5%. So pretty fine. So I'll end this video pretty soon. So the destruction didn't get it that much, so I'm just fine. So just to remind you, okay? Alright, I'll see you guys in the next story tales. Bye.